Tap the freeze button on the left side. Tap the measure button on the left side. Select ellipse. Tap the circles on the four corners to adjust the size. Tap and drag inside the circle to move it. Select distance. Tap the cross icon on the two sides to adjust the length. Tap and drag the middle of the line to move it. Select arrow. Drag the two sides to adjust the length. Tap and drag the middle of the line to move it. Select mark. Tap and drag the star icon to move it. Select angle. Drag any point to adjust the angle. Tap and drag inside the triangle to move it. Select polygon. Tap anywhere on the screen to start drawing. Move your finger on the screen to draw the area you want to measure. Tap the screen again to end the drawing. You can delete a measurement by long pressing it, or you can select Clear All in Measure to delete all measurements.